We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hey guys, hello, hello, hello. Hey, hi. Here we are back with a new video. It's Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. So we're so happy, excited. Today we'll be doing a video on a face mask to have a nice glossy, glowing skin for this Christmas season. So I and the girls will be doing a carrot face mask. So keep watching. We're gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Much love. Wow. Yes guys, this is the ingredient that we'll be using today for our carrot. So you need two large carrots. Is the organic carrots, remember. So anything you put on your face, you know, so you have to be aware of that. That is a nice one or organic one. So you're gonna use like a organic honey as well. So it's here. And then we need like a mixer, so to mix our carrots. And then you're gonna need like a 100% of argan oil. So yeah, so I'm gonna get prepare our mask now. So we chop off all of these two edges. So we put everything, even the skin, because the skin has a lot of benefits for our skin, you know. The carrot has a lot of mineral inside, so it's really good. Like you don't take out anything. So you're gonna chop the carrot so for us to be able to blend it properly. So here, yeah, chopping the carrot. We're gonna use two large carrots because we are three of us, you know, so we need a lot like to go on us. Yeah, so that's chopping the carrot. So just continue the process of us chopping the carrot. So I'm gonna put it in the blender. Yeah guys, so that's how it looks like after blending, you know. So that's the carrot here, so it's well blended. So we're gonna put it in this bowl, and then we add 2 teaspoons of honey and then 5 drops of argan oil. You know, carrot is really good, you know, it's even good like for your eyesight. So if you eat nice smoked carrots, it's gonna help you even improve your eyesight. Yeah, nice for a nice glowy skin. So this mask is really good like for people who has like, you know, dry skin, because of the honey has nice property as well in like making skin glow, watering and nice, you know. So just all of that good things, so you get it from this mask. Okay, let me just mix everything together. The carrot in the bowl, you know. So I hope like in the end of this video you'll be like able to do something nice with your family, like me I'm doing with the girls here. So just getting ready for Christmas, you know. If you are new here, please like this video, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, you know. Tell us if you ever try a carrot face mask or any, you know, any mask. I don't know, anyone you never try. So please just drop us, you know, a comment on the section down below, so we'll know. Or if you have like any other face mask you want us to do, please just let us know. So that's me putting just 2 teaspoons of honey in this carrot, because you know the carrot is quite a little bit dry. So this honey will help it like to make it more moist, you know. As we blend it, it's kind of like, you know, some particular. So that's me putting, and then I'm mixing it now. So the honey is gonna help us like giving our carrot a nice consistency to apply on the face. And then the argan oil is really good for the skin, so give you a nice one. So I just put like 5 drops. Yeah, so we finish with our preparation. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna apply it.
Ooh. So this is how the honey
mask,
looks.
That's how it looks like, you know. So we put like 2 teaspoons of honey with our carrot and 5 drops of oil. So we're gonna share it like with the girls. We're gonna show you how we're gonna apply it.
Yeah,
applying our mask, you know, to have your nice glowy skin. Wow. So you do kind of like a dabbing motion, you know. You are doing this, yeah. So in it, all the product to sink on your skin, yeah. So and again, stop it. It's good. These things are good. You can eat it as well. It's so sweet, you know. So that's us and the girls getting ready for Christmas. Wow. I think in the end of this video, so you'll be able to do, you know, something nice on this festivity with you and the family. So I hope you are enjoying how we are doing it. So it's quite messy, but it's nice because in the end of this video, you see how our skin is gonna look nice and glowing. Yeah, so that's the mask on the face. So you're gonna leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, yeah, and then we're gonna come back and then show you the glowy skin, how it look like. Wow, you should try, guys. You should try this.
Yeah, guys.
How it looks like, guys. That's how it looks like.
Come back
We're gonna
to see
leave
our glowing
it,
skin.
you know, 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to see our glowy skin, guys. Please try it. It's just organic carrots. It's a DIY mask, so it doesn't have any damage like for kids' skin or anyone's skin. So please, you should try it out, and then come back after 10 minutes to see the glowy skin for Christmas.
This is the result.
This is the end result. My skin feels so soft
glowing
and glossy and smooth. You guys, please, you should try this. Tell us what do you think about the process of the, you know, us doing this mask. So I think in the end of this video, so this is the result. I wish you like it and love it. How do you feel your skin?
My skin feels so soft and glossy, you know.
How do you feel your skin, baby?
So
Ooh, that ass. So there's more coming. Please share, give us a comment. You tell us what you think about us. So we love to see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and give us what? A big thumbs up. Happy Christmas. Love you. See you next time.
love you.